Hello everyone, welcome to another solutions video. In Unit 1, Lesson 4, Exercise 2, we're creating a program that calculates the distance between 2 points. In this program, we're going to be taking 4 inputs, the coordinates for the first point and the coordinates for the second point. And for this one, we're going to be utilizing just one key function from the math module to help us solve the problem. But before we get there, I just want to talk about the distance formula. To calculate a distance between 2 points, it is the result of the difference of the x components all squared added by the difference of the y components all squared, and you take the result and square root it, and that will give us the distance between those 2 points. So let's start with our imports. So we're going to go import statement, organize our code using comments. We're going to go from. I'm going to use from import because I just need one function for the math module, so we're going to make it a little more granular size. So we're going to say from the math module, I want to import the square root function, which is sqrt. And if you wanted to change that name, you can use also the keyword as and create a new name for that function as well. But moving on, here I'm going to write our input statement now. I need 4 inputs, each of the coordinates for 2 points. So we're going to go x1 is equal to integer input, enter the x1 coordinate. And since it's very repetitive, I'm going to be copying that 3 more times and making some minor adjustment. Y coordinate here, x2 coordinate here, and y2 coordinate here. Perfect. So now we have our 4 inputs. We have the square root function. Now we just have to set up the distance formula in our process. So let's create a distance variable and set that. First, I'm going to focus on the inner portion of our square root. So we're going to go x2 subtracted by x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. And then we're going to square root the entire thing by trapping the entire code there in a bracket. So all this, the inner portion of our square root, and then we're going to have our distance. We're going to output print the distance is calculated as distance units. Let's see how this code runs. My first point is going to be at location 0, 0, and we're going to find the distance to the point 3, 4. And the distance we calculated is 5.0. If you don't know where I got those numbers from, it's a very special number. It's called a 3-4-5 triangle because we're starting at 0 and we're going towards 0.3434. It helps us create a nice Pythagorean theorem to actually calculate the distance there. So in this video, we just talked about a very special 2 keywords that we can use. The from import, when we only require just a single function or a single feature from a module that you're importing. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.